Emphasize positive discipline. We emphasize positive discipline when we stay calm and teach. A challenging behavior tells you a child has not found an appropriate way to deal with that feeling or meet that need. Feelings such as being jealous, frustrated, and bored are big feelings children haven't learned to handle. It is our job to help teach them how to handle their feelings and manage their needs. Remember, children often use their behavior to communicate. For example, a child who doesn't have the language skills to express how they feel may bite to say, "I'm frustrated." To help emphasize positive discipline, ask yourself, am I staying calm during the situation? How is the child feeling and what do they need? Am I using one of the following: redirection, logical consequences, or choices? There are many different ways we can emphasize positive discipline. In this classroom, you'll see 3 examples you can use. If you see undesirable behavior coming, head it off before it begins. This is called redirection.
One way we use redirection in the classroom is that when a child gets upset or is overly excited and just needs some quiet time, he come over and take a deep breath and then flip the purple jelly, count the bubbles, and then once the jelly is gone down, then he will take another deep breath and flip and then count the bubbles as they go down until his body calms. It allows him to have some focus, and then sometimes he will choose to go back and play with his friends. Other times he will choose to continue to count the bubbles.
Logical consequences are when-then statements. For example, when you throw the toy, then you are all done playing with it until after nap time. The consequence should fit naturally, and you should always use a calm, matter-of-fact tone. Allow choices. Choices give a child a sense of control. Keep it simple by giving 2 choices and allow the child plenty of time to make their choice. As an example, it is time for lunch. Ask the child which seat they would like to sit in.
Playing. Would you like to come get it over here? You would like to get more things? Can I help you? Here. Oh, good job. Do you want to pour it in the bucket or do you want to do it yourself?
Get the apples
Okay.
and the grapes.
That's pretty fantastic.
When challenging behavior strikes, you can use these 3 steps. First, evaluate why the behavior occurs. What is the purpose of this behavior? What are the feelings and what are the needs behind the behavior? For example, a child might be angry because they want to gain control. Second, identify the triggers. Consider the conditions and environment when the behavior occurs most frequently. For example, is a child angry at a certain time of day or when they play with a certain playmate? Finally, choose a strategy or strategies based on this behavior. Here's your caregiver toolbox to help emphasize positive discipline. These tools work in the classroom and at home too. Your caregiver toolbox: redirection, logical consequences, and choices. How do you emphasize positive discipline?